Think your cables are good to go just because they are still working? Think again. Even the toughest cables lose their reliability, and that will be costing you more than you realize. Hi, this is Rohan. Today I'm going to talk about understanding lifespan of the cable. The lifespan of the cable depends on the multiple factors, including the material they used, like coppers or aluminium, and the environment which it used. Industrial cables exposed to heat or moisturized physical stress degrade much faster than cables used in controlled setting. So how do you know when it's time to replace your cables? Here are 7 signs that it's time to swipe them out. First, visible damage. Second, frequent power interruption. Third, overheating. Fourth, strange orders. Fifth, buzzing or crackling sounds. 6, discorrelation. 7, physical wear. Recognizing the warning signs earlier is crucial to prevent bigger issues such as electrical failures, equipment damages, or even potential fire hazards. By staying vigilant and replacement the cables when you notice the signs, you can keep your operation safe and efficient. Don't let worn out cables put your business at risk. For more information about wires and cables, please stay tuned.